The reason that they do not have the specific qualifications and certifications for a rigger is because we mentioned so many parameters. So to become a rigger, you have to necessarily learn and understand the basic concepts of rigging. Some of the rigging qualifications are based on a beginner, a journeyman, and a master rigger. And it takes sometimes years to be developed into a master rigger because of not having the exposure to all the different parameters of rigging. For more information, go to simscrane.com.